Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So AMC, can we reach 20 bucks on next week, guys? So let's go ahead and take a look at it, share our thoughts and opinions on AMC because it is about to heat back up. That FOMO is about to kick back in. We already know people like to wait on the sideline until they see AMC jump up $5, $10. Then they want to start FOMOing in. They don't want to buy when it's cheap, when it's at the bottom, while it's declining. They want to wait to the rise up, then start to hurry up and rush in. So you already know, guys, we ended this week above $14, above that 14.50 resistance, showing straight good signs of support there. We came down, tested it a few times. We broke it just a hair on last week just to rise back up to it quickly, guys. Like I told you guys, sometimes we could break a support that we finna build at just because the market makers trying to mess with the psychological points of the market. They know a lot of people is looking at these key levels, and if they hold, it's showing great signs of a continuation. And also, great day for Friday. Usually we know Fridays the market be terribly bad, down bad. A lot of investors, day traders, short-term investors pulling out of their investments. But AMC closed very nicely, guys. Thursday, we kept it tight, showing a lot of buyers that was buying in. They weren't buying in just to get out quickly. They was buying because they knew it was a solid price and they want to hold for a longer period of time, guys. So then on Friday, we seen a continuation. We didn't pull back, give much. I mean, we pulled back, but we didn't give back much of those gains that we acquired on Thursday. Usually, you know, AMC will shoot up, then shoot right back down. We right back where we left from. So as long as we can keep up this momentum and hold it up on Monday, if we could go ahead and continue to hold at 14.50, shoot to the high 15, around $16 range like we should from this point, then we could most definitely get to 20 on next week, guys. Because once we get to the high 15, $16 range, 17, 18, 19, 20 will come very quick, guys, because that's when that FOMO will start to rush in very quickly. So you already know, guys, a lot of people is hoping and praying for AMC to fall, to fail. We know we got a hedge fund, Cliff Ashness. I don't know if I'm saying his name correctly, but he's laughing and joking at the retail investor, saying, ha, 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 you know, I'm betting against AMC, I'm shorting it. I dare you to try and, you know, get me this, that, and third. And like I told you guys, whenever you try and be funny, whenever you try and pick, whenever you try to, you know, imagine you on the court playing basketball with your homeboy and you the one talking junk, laughing all the time. It's always the one that's talking junk that end up losing in the end, guys. Not all the time, though. Sometimes you could be a trash talker. I can be clear about this. Sometimes you could be a trash talker and talk your junk, talk your talk, and you still one up the person. But 9 times out of 10, the one that's talking the most shit with sports, with activities, with fighting, anything. You see a nigga walk up, rah, I'ma beat it. That be the one that get his ass beat by that quiet one. The one sitting in the cut, not saying much. And that's the same thing that's about to happen to you, Cliff. Same thing about to happen to you, Cliff. What I told you when you bought it. You bought it at, you shorted AMC at 13. And I said, if you didn't sell at 11, I said, yeah, if he shorted at 13, okay. If he looking for a little $2 profit on the share price, then yeah, I guess he did good. If he bought it at 13, want to sell at 11, you made you a little bit of money. But if you bought it at 13 and was thinking AMC about to fall half of the price from 13 down to 7 or 6 or down to 1 or 2, I don't know what you was thinking, Cliff. Because now you about to be in the hole. And like I said, even though he started with a small position, it's not going to matter with short selling, especially if he don't cut his losses and get out at a quickly manner. And the way he sounding all tough, kiki ya, it don't sound like he gonna cut his losses quickly. Sound like he gonna get caught because of his ego. Whenever you laughing and joking and doing what he did, he got a big ego on the side of him, and that's what might cost him a whole lot of money, guys. And and make sure those lawyers and the hedge funds and all those people screenshot what he did, what he said, whenever he be back at the government and at these people trying to get a reimbursement. You know, at the pandemic, when the COVID happened, when all these hedge funds, all these millionaires and billionaires lost all their money in the stock market, what they did, reimburse them, right? Put them right back in the game. But in retail investors, the small guys lose all their money in the market, what they do? Laugh at you, call you dumb money. That's crazy, man. Wake up. But we gone, man. I love y'all. We gone.